Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the up button. Pressing and holding it actually. Once you open the menu, you can use up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the system option, and once you select it, press the start button to enter. Here, scroll down by pressing the down button, select the time option and press the start button. Now scroll down, find the option called set time, select it and press start button. And if you want to change the time manually, you need to select the manual option, press start, and then you can scroll down, select the time option, press start, and here we can adjust the time to our liking. You can set the hours by using the up and down button, then press start, change the minutes, and then press the start button twice to confirm. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.